The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for the following areas. Hey, are you people even fucking listening to me? God damn it, I'm trying to warn you all shitheads about the flash flood warning alert. You all are just like my bitch wife Allison for not listening to me.
Listen, Paul, I do fucking listen to you. Don't act like a fucking child, you asshole.
Why the fuck did I ever marry you, you stupid fucking bitch? You are so annoying as the fucking shitheads who won't listen to my emergency message.
You know what, I'm out of here. Our marriage is over and you can go to hell, Paul. Fuck you and goodbye.
Fine, go. Fuck you, Allison. As for the people in the Denver metro area in Colorado can go ahead and drown in a flash flood for all I care. I'm done with the emergency alert system since my marriage is over now. Fuck you all.
The emergency alert system has been interrupted. We will resume operations momentarily.